What's up guys, I'm Sean, back at Thunderhill West to test out some of the new modifications I made. I added anti-knockback springs into my front calipers. And I got rid of the rear OEM caliper and replaced it with the 4-piston Brembo caliper from a Porsche 996. So hopefully this solves my pad knockback issue. The pedal already feels better on the street. Let's see how it feels today on the track. This track is short and technical, not very hard on the brakes, but either way should be a good test. I also added the Condor quarter polycarbonate window and the 5-Star Racing polycarbonate window, and I went with a lighter battery as well. So I cut about 29 pounds from the car. So my car weighs about 28.75 right now. Half a tank of gas, no driver. Probably not going to feel that, but curious to see how the brakes feel. So let's see how the day goes. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Ran 5 sessions with Turn 8 Racing, and I managed to cut my personal best by over 1 second. I've been stuck at 125 for a couple years at Thunderhill West, and now I'm finally in the 124s. So I ran a 124.38, so I'm super happy with that time. So my new brake setup works great. The anti-knockback springs were awesome. I didn't have to left foot tap the brake at all. And more importantly, the 4-piston Brembo caliper worked out great too. So the brake pedal feels more firm and no issues on the track with the brakes. So this retrofit kit worked out perfectly. I'm gonna shave my lap time over a second. Going to Sonoma next month to test it out over there. So stay tuned for that video. Until then, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.